On this episode, we're gonna make keto cheese crisps, an easy keto snack, coming up next. Hi guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna make some easy keto cheese crisps for an easy keto snack. Super, super simple. If you want a quick, easy keto snack and you're wanting some munchies, this is a great one that will literally take you less than 5 minutes. Let me show you my recipe. Oh, if you like this video, make sure you put keto snack recipes down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to make more videos just like this one. And if you like this video, click like, click subscribe, and check out our weekly encouragement email at countessoflowcarb.com. So I'm just gonna set my oven to broil. I use applesauce. I use parchment paper, either this kind or these cooking baking sheets, either or. I'll put them in the description link below. You have to use parchment paper. You cannot use wax paper or it will stick, from personal experience. And then I simply just put the parchment paper on top of the cookie sheet. And then you can use a whole bunch of different types of cheeses. What's best recommended for cheese is getting a block of cheese and then hand shredding it yourself to ensure that there's not creepy carbs or any sort of thickening agents that have carbs in them. This to make conscious food choices. This from Aldi has the thickening agent in it that can be a creepy carb in it. So I would recommend hand shredding with a shredder your cheese. I am on a time crunch, so I'm going to use this, but I want you guys to make conscious food choices and know that I'm making the alternative for that of having the extra hidden creepy carb in it for convenience. So I'm literally just going to take handfuls of the cheese, of the shredded cheese, and make circles on my parchment tin. And I try to make them smaller because then they make them crispier. Is a big portion. I obviously wouldn't eat that all myself, but my little boy loves having cheese crisps, and it's a great, easy recipe to make. Hi, helper. So I'm simply going to take this, excuse me while I'm multitasking here, with my taco meat, and these are great for tacos too. And I'm just going to add my cheese crisps to the oven. On broil. My temperature is on broil, and I'm going to set the timer, for 3 minutes and get that started. That was it. There's my cheese crisps. They look delicious. I would put these in a little bit more to make them a little bit browner on this side and this side, but I personally don't mind them being gooey, but if you want them to be crispier, you could take those off and then re-put these back in to make the outer sides a little bit more crunchy. So this is super simple. I literally just scoop these off. Because of the parchment paper, they come off effortlessly. And I'll have 2. If I'm super, super hungry, I'll have 3. But minding my macros, minding my protein for whatever yours is. I'm a tall chick, to make sure that you're fitting in your portion control and with your macros. And then I'll add onto it a side of guacamole or a side of sour cream too. And literally adding a side of guacamole, a side of sour cream makes these cheese crisps just like nachos. Of course, as with all keto snacks, you want to eat them in your keto eating windows and have fasting times too for optimal weight loss. I have other videos down in the description link below on those. But isn't that delicious? That is so yummy. You can have that as nachos, you can have crunchies, and your little kids will like to dip them too. Make sure you put keto snack recipe in the comments below so I do more videos just like this one. If you want to see more videos just like this, make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and sign up for my weekly email at countessoflowcarb.com. Keto on, friends!